Hey, what's up XRP holders? So this is live price prediction of XRP, and today I have something very special and very important for new holder and especially for short time investor. So this time my brother, especially holder are invest just in only for 1 month, for 15 days, and for 1 week, and absolutely for 3 days now, my brother. So this time, as you can see, my brother, I am really happy, I'm very excited because I also invest, my brother. I some coin, my brother, especially you everybody know this, my brother. I think if you are my old subscriber, so definitely you know this. To I invest, my brothers, 10,000 USD dollar just in only and my brother last month, but and this month absolutely I also invest now in XRP, and absolutely you can see here the price. I think when I invest properly, the price is just in only 0.6 USD dollar, but today as you can see here the price is 1.28 USD dollar. So this time, as you can, if I just only sell it in today, so they will give me a very good profit now. Absolutely XRP will one of the good profitable coin, my brother. So kindly they will give you in very short time very good profit now. So just in only, I think, my brother, I think it's 20 to 25 days ago to I invest, and they will give me I think 0.5 USD dollar profit. So as you for just in only focus, my brothers, to just in only in 20 days if they will give me half USD dollar, so I think this is one of the fastest cryptocurrencies. 7.11% they will get a profit last 3 days. So if you just invest for a half week, my brother, so they will give you just in only 7% profit now. So absolutely this is one of the fastest and very good coin, my brother, especially for short time investor. Definitely I also decide to invest more in XRP because, and I have no plan, my brothers, to I will sell it now. Everybody know this, my friends. To $10,000 I invest, my brother, in XRP. It's I think 2 months ago, and 20 days ago, my brothers, to I invest 5,000, and I have a plan to invest more 5,000, and my friend, just in all the at the end of this month now. So thanks for watching my XRP holder. Hope you understand something new in this video. My prediction is totally going to be positive. I know to upcoming days the price will more increasing because the last 10 days of every month, my brother, every coin will moving upward. So therefore I know to the price will be increasing now. Thanks for watching holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. And yes, my brother, please if you want to get a profit, if you want to earn money and XRP, so kindly subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. Hope you will be never lost, and absolutely you will be get a profit in very short time. Allah Hafiz, take care.